Hello, my name is Neža and this is the final video for this course, Moodle for Teachers 2018, and the topic is individual and teamwork. So we should go back to our course, that is Opportunities for Online Teaching or OPOR-Teach. The course was created by Kim, Natasha and me. And it was intended for teachers interested in online teaching. It offers participants an opportunity, to explore Moodle and some online teaching tools that we divided into 3 weeks. So how did it start? We started with our teamwork policy. And here we actually put our ideas about how to create the course, our goals and skills, then how to solve problems, team ground rules. This is interesting because we all agree that communication is the key for a successful course. Then we agreed also on the ways of communication, and we mostly communicated through Moodle forums. As for leadership style, we're all rather independent learners and teachers, democratic as we said, and we chose Natasha as an informal leader of our group of individuals. Good. So once we finished with defining our policy, we moved on to the course syllabus. We created a logo in Wordle, and the words in this cloud actually define our course, the keywords: Moodle, images, videos, motivation. Okay, so as it says, this course offers participants an opportunity to explore several popular online teaching tools that inspire and motivate student engagement and learning. The audience is new and experienced teachers, whoever interested in teaching online. Duration of the course is 3 weeks, as there were 3 of us, so each got 1 week to design. The objectives of the course are here. They need more polishing, but they are as they should be. And the topic sections: the first topic is web conferencing module, the second is images and video module, and the third one is keep them motivated. And finally we put here a short bio of the moderators, Kim, Natasha and Sneža. And now I will quickly guide you through my week, which is images and videos. Again, I started it with another Wordle, again with words defining this particular week. And in this week you will be able to explore some image search tools like Flickr, Comfy, Pixabay, image editors, Photophania, Word Cloud Generator, Wordle, and tools for creating educational videos like Animoto, Prezi and PhotoPitch. The important thing for participants is constant activity in discussion in forums and in creating new material and sharing with other participants. I started it with this introductory video. So maybe we can have a video inside a video. Why not? Let's see how it...
Hello, my My name is Neja and welcome to week 2 of our teacher training course.
I will skip the introduction.
Can we use from the internet for our educational purposes. Not everything, of course, but I have prepared in resources this little book on images and videos, and in chapter 2, okay, there is a...
Okay, we will not jump to chapter 2, but actually I have given a short description of all the chapters and how I saw it. Actually, I wanted to have this book with all the resources that are useful for the course, where you can go and find some extra readings about the topic that we cover. I also raised the question here about the copyright, and in chapter 1 you will find some text about copyright and Creative Commons, and another video here. Okay, if I open the little book on videos, there is one fairy tale video where through Disney cartoons actually you get some answers. Okay, so yes, this is a warning, and this is the law about the fair use and what is allowed in fair use. And of course the film is actually made through different short clips.
Copy! Go right! To the right! Right! It's that law. That's the problem. You know the law.
That stupid law. Hey, what the heck is...
Copy, right?
Okay.